I want to show you how you can use the compliance feature to create and track lien waivers in Sage Intacct Construction. So let's first look at how you define different types of compliance items. We're going to look at the lien waiver item here. You can have as many different compliance items as you wish. We're making the lien waiver compliance category right here as such. Down here, you can see we have a minimum amount that we're going to generate lien waivers for each AP bill. In this case, we have it set to 0. Often you're going to have some sort of minimal threshold, $100, $1,000, whatever you choose. Down here, you can see that we're going to create a lien waiver based on subcontract or purchase order. You have the option of creating other kinds of documents that you could select right here. And then down below, as far as notifications go, what do you want to have happen if you're out of compliance? Do you want the system just to ignore it? Do you want it to flash a warning? Or do you want it to be an error where you can't proceed? I'm going to set this to error. So let's go ahead and save that. And then let's move over to a list of subcontracts. So we have one in the system right now for project 24-103 to Buffalo Building Company, $12,000 subcontract. So let's go ahead and put an AP bill against this. We're going to make their AP bill number we're just going to use the date. And let's say that they're invoicing us for 20% of each of these items. So $2,400. So let's go ahead and post that. Now we're going to go over here and look at a list of compliance records. So let's go ahead and refresh the screen here. And you can see that we have a lien waiver record right here for this particular subcontract. You can print or email these as an automation, or you can do it one-off. So I'm just going to select that so you can see what the document looks like. Pre-fills. This is a Word template, so they're quite easy to format and put together. No more crystal reports. Very, very straightforward template type feature. Let's say that we wanted to go ahead and pay this AP bill. So what kind of warning do you get? So let's go ahead and bring that up. And we're going to click the pay button right here. And we can see that this AP bill, $2,400 less retainage, has an error right now, so we would not be able to proceed. But let's go ahead and look at what those errors are. We can see we have that lien waiver error because we haven't received a document back. And we also have a warning on their insurance. So let's have a look at that. So we can see that looks like their insurance expired back in August. Let's go ahead and take a look at that attachment. Yeah, right. So I think we need to get a new insurance certificate from this vendor. So that concludes this quick little demo of how you can create lien waivers as part of the compliance within Sage Intacct Construction.